Hey everyone.
Hey.
So tonight we are doing chicken tenders, and we already have the chicken already in here.
We're going to cook them in our pressure cooker because Mama Sue's recipe, she had it in the crock pot, but now I did not plan ahead, and when I saw the recipe I thought, well, that looks easy enough, so we're just going to do it in our pressure cooker so it'll be done quicker. But there's the chicken. It's just chicken tenders.
But as for sauce, we have our barbecue sauce.
She said any brand of barbecue is fine.
We have our Worcestershire sauce, our 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and our 3/4 cup of Italian dressing. So I'm gonna get started and start dumping it. Does it matter what order I put it in? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tell me when to stop.
It calls for 12 ounces, and so I think that's, let's see, what is it, 17.5, and it was already some gone, so do a little more.
Okay.
You can do it all, it ain't gonna hurt. You don't have to be exact. That's fine. Alrighty.
And then our Worcestershire sauce. I don't think you have to.
It's 2 tablespoons. If you want to measure it, you can, but I mean, lots of times you can just guesstimate, but you can. I would always do that over your food just in case you accidentally steal some. Let's clean up, right?
Mm-hmm.
I can get a little closer so they can see you doing your measuring. That's it.
Might add a little bit more if that was on a hole.
Oh, your arm tilt over hand.
I'm
there
trying.
You go.
I can't tell because my arm
That's okay.
is in a big
Alrighty.
angle.
Now, we'll just sit that down.
Alright.
Now we'll just mix it all up. Let me get you a little, So how was your school day today?
It was good.
How's all your classes going?
They're going good.
What kind of grades you have?
I have all A's. I think a B.
Okay, look at you. Good job. Let me get it a little closer where they can see you. You're just mixing all that up real good, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
And I usually do a pork loin in this thing because it's a lot quicker, but now I do like to cook it on low all day long. But so I had to Google how long to cook these chicken tenders in an air pressure cooker, and it said 6 minutes, so that's impressive.
Mm-hmm. How's your day?
It was good.
That's good.
How was your day out there? I guess they have probably more to tell us than we do them, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
So what all have y'all been doing up to?
Ooh, my arms are getting tired.
Uh-oh, your arm's tired? Here, I'll just make sure. I think you've done a good job. I think that's all done. Yep.
Yeah,
It's
so
all
now all we
fixed
do
up.
is put the lid on.
Mm-hmm. I've cooked a lot of stuff in my pressure cooker. I used to use it more than I have lately. Hang on, let's get it in here. Okay, now it's on unlock, and you slide it to lock, and there's a button up there that it's either release or close. Now that's for steam, and you have to let it kind of do its own thing. You don't ever open this and have your hand there because it will burn you bad. All right, so it's on. We're gonna do cook time. And we're gonna do, it said 6 minutes, so.
That's a loud beeping noise.
It is. There. Now,
Is it starting?
in just a second, it should start the little square thingy.
Square.
There. You see what it's doing? All right. Well, we'll let y'all see what it looks like in 10 minutes.
Alright. Bye. Hey y'all. So we're back and the chicken has beeped. So we're gonna check it out.
All right. So with the pressure cooker, you just have to make sure all your steam's been released, and so it has. It had already, your valve had went all the way up there to release, so that means all your steam has been released, so you can actually open it. But, well, hold on, let me explain this, because I don't want you to get hurt. When you unlock it and lift it, steam is going to come out and it'll burn this part of your arm, okay? No, this is the thing. You want to open it like this, but open the back side first so all your steam comes that way, okay? All right. Get it where they can see it. Okay.
Start lifting.
There you go. Just lift the back side first. There you go. See all the steam coming out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you can keep lifting, that's fine. And that's why I moved it over here on the stove, so when the steam came up, it didn't get on our counter cabinets on it. You can go ahead and lift it off now. I just wanted that first initial. Is it burning you?
No.
Oh.
It scared me.
All right, well here, come on. Hold on. It's fine, we'll clean that up. It's just some condensation. All right. Always when you lift, just keep it tilted, because use this as your shield from the steam, okay? So when you lift it up,
Where do I put it?
you just flip it over and lay it on your counter.
Uh-huh.
There you go, just like that. Good job. Now, I've got my tongs. Let's get a plate. Because she says she's hungry.
I am hungry.
Alrighty. Now that the steam's been released, we can put it back down here where you can, I don't know that you can, let them see it. I haven't even stirred it yet. I'm gonna try to hold the camera and pick it up where y'all can see. All right. Hang on just a second. Alrighty. Now everything up there is just hot, so don't put your arm against any of the metal. Oh man, Caitlin, look, do you see how tender that is? It just fell apart. The internet said to cook it on in the pressure cooker for 6 minutes, and just to be on the safe side, we did 10 because I've never cooked the chicken in here. Yeah, you can get as much as you want.
Oh,
Anna, you ready for some chicken? We'll make you
Alright.
some.
Sure.
Alrighty. Do you want it plain or do you want a barbecue chicken sandwich?
I'll just eat it plain.
Alrighty. Let me get another plate and we'll get Anna some.
it's falling
Alright.
apart.
Yep, don't even need a knife to cut it, do you?
There you go.
So if you're gonna make shredded chicken sandwiches, you can just take and give them a little. Let me get two little forks here. So like if you were gonna So, there it goes. Come take these 2 forks and you just pull them apart just so they can see how tender it is.
It's really, really tender. Is this one we're eating off of, or is the
Yeah, you can eat it.
Okay.
I'll give your sister one more. Make sure you eat more.
Mmm, it's really good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, do you remember who we need to thank for the recipe then? Let me get it back where you can.
Mom Sue?
It was Mama Sue's recipe that I happened to see today because I was thinking, what are we going to cook for supper? And I didn't have the crock pot. Is this one mine?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see. Uh-oh. Fix that camera, Kate, so they can see us both. Mainly you. Mm-mm. There you go, that's better. Okay. Anna's back there doing homework. What you think though, Kate? Anna?
It's really good.
Alright, let's see. Uh-oh. She said that was some good stuff. It really is. You don't even need to have to make a barbecue sandwich, but now I bet it'd be good on a barbecue potato too. All right, well, y'all have a good night.
Bye.
Y'all need to try the recipe. It really is a good one. And it's easy.